So, in today's video, I'll show you how to change the voice on new Siri on iOS 27. The new Siri voice can be changed and adjusted even further to sound more natural, more or less expressive, and at a different pace. To do it, you'll need to get to the settings, then go to Siri. If you don't have the new logo shown here, then you haven't activated the newest Siri. There's a video on how to do it. Then you can find Expressive Voices preview, and when you enable it, it will show this up. You can now select voice 1 or voice 2.
Hi, let's find the right voice for you. I'll practice
some things I like to say while you listen. Let me try this one out. You have one new message. Your timer is set
I can
for 1
change
minute.
the pace
Now for
to slower.
Let me try this one out. You have one new message. Here's another one. Your timer
I can
is
set
for
it
1
to
minute.
a faster
For some
pace.
directions.
I can
At the
change the
next stop- at the next stop
expressivity.
sign, turn right. How about now for some directions. Your timer is set for. You have one new message.
Less
Here's another
expressive, more expressive,
Here's another
male, female.
Your timer is
There
set for
will
1
be
minute.
languages
Now for some
available
directions.
later.
Next stops.
I'll just save it now, and this is how you can do it. And yeah, I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.